Discuss about this toolbox. Few we already discussed, but few more things which is remaining. So I have two clips here. This is one clip. So for this clip, starting and end, I have cropped it. Okay, just to use all the tools. This also starting, I cropped it, end also. Then I'm going to join it. That means there are many things in the end. There are many things at the beginning. Correct. Similar here also. If I extending here also have something. Here also have something. Right. Selection tool we already know, just to select it, correct? And we can extend also, we can crop also. This tool I discussed, track, select, forward tools. Track, select, forward tool means you can select everything. For example, I have a few more short, copy and paste. I have something over here, I have something over here. I have many things, right? With titles and all. So when you use this track selection, when you click it, all I can select and move it together, wherever it is. Maybe I start from here, then back it will not select it. Okay, this all will be selecting. If I press shift button, then it will select only one track. This track all selected, then I can move it, only this track. Hold the shift button, hold it. So here I press only this track will be selecting. So like each track, I can select it one by one. Just a second. Okay, so this is track selection tool. Okay, select you normally it will select everything. Hold the shift button, it will select only that track. Now, of course, we have track select backward tool, means the same process only but backside. Okay, till here, how many elements are here, how many layers are here, what are the contents are there, everything can be selected. Then ripple edit tool. Okay, ripple edit tool. Ripple edit tool means the way I told you before, have two clips over here, beginning and ending. We have many things. Okay, maybe we have joined over here. We have many other things. Ripple edit tool when I using, when I go to this big here, then if I crop it, you see, it will crop. So if I'm doing manually, what happened? I have to crop like this. Then right click and ripple delete. This way I have to do. Instead of this, if I'm using this ripple edit tool, it will crop it and it will get all the things to snap with that one. I mean, there's no an extra gap over there. Okay. So here, what I will show you something. If it is not here, ripple edit tool. When I'm extending, automatically comes to here. I'm extending to this side. So also you can see that this side is extending, means what is in the previous, it will not have any changes. Okay. Even if I'm cropping to this side, this video I'm cropping. You see, when I'm cropping, it is showing the screen, both video. So the second video is going to crop, second video. Okay, I've selected even this now. When I'm moving, it's also second video is cropping now. So now if I'm selecting to here, then I'm moving to this side. Then you can see the first video is cropping now. Okay, so you can see here, if I have many other clips also, which is snapped with this one, when I use this ripple edit tool, it's going to come with this. Next one, rolling edit tool. Rolling edit tool. Rolling edit tool, I can do from the same position. So my duration will not change. See, starting and end position will not change it. When I am moving, you see from the both video will be cropping. That means wherever I cut it, that cut area will be moving to here. The cut area will be moving to here. So it will adjust based on this both video, the content will be moving. So when I am keeping here, I can understand from my left screen, this will be the area, this will be the content wherever I crop it, and the right side, that will be the area, right, in the video. So the duration not going to change. But the first one, if I use ripple edit tool, when I'm extending from here, the duration also will be changing, right? See, when I'm changing here, you can see the duration also changing. But if I'm using rolling edit tool, my duration will not change. Next one, rate stretch tool. Rate stretch tool to make it slow motion videos and all, or to stretch a video. For example, I have this shot, right? It's very fast now. So if I want to make slow motion, what is the options I teach you before? Right click from here, speed duration, and you can give a value. I do 200 now, it will become faster. 200. It's very faster now, 200. Okay. But Control Z. If I do this one, speed duration 50, it will be slow. Right click, speed duration. So maximum in a video, you have to do 50 only. Otherwise, when you're shooting, it should be more than 25 frames per second. Otherwise, you will lose the quality. Right click, speed duration. I'm making this one to 20 now. You see this, it will be slow motion, but the quality will lose it. It will come cut, because it's 25 frames per second video. If you do this way, it will happen. So if you shoot it in 60 frames per second, then it will be fine. You can do more than that. So these things you can do with manually here using the rate stretch tool. So using this one, if I make it here, it will become slow motion. If I make it till here, it will be faster. See, I use extend using selection tool. So everything will be very faster. Okay. So rate stretch tool is using to increase and decrease the speed. Okay, or stretch. You can stretch the clip. That's the use of rate stretch tool. Razor tool, of course, you can cut it, right? You know already. Just cut. Now we have slip tool. Slip tool means, see, this is a video we have cropped from beginning and end. Okay. So this video, the duration we fixed. And from the single video, if you choose this slip tool, you can from center, can you see? See, left and right, I'm showing same clip only, not other clip. So which area you want in the beginning, which area you want in the end, that is showing. The beginning what you need, end what you need. So both you can understand. Let me check if I have some other video. That will look almost the same. That's almost same only. Hope this is fine. See, I'm telling you again, slip tool means same video, starting area and beginning area, duration is same, but inside the clip, there are few area is here, actually few area is here. We cropped it. So from inside, I can move that video. See, that the position of the video, I can move it, but duration never change it. This is slip tool. Next one, sliding tool. Sliding tool means like center again. From the center, if you want, you can adjust from center. So you can see when I am moving, automatically adjusting left, maybe this video will be moving or this video will be moving. You can choose this video and move it. So it comes to this side. If you choose this video and moving, it comes to this side, right? So the cut area will not have any problem. It will be staying the same place. So I can keep like this. And from here, if I'm extending this side, or if I'm extending this side. So automatically which clip you are choosing, based on that, it will be changing the position. Okay, it's little bit confusing. So you need to check one by one, then you have to understand this. Okay, from especially ripple, rolling, slip, and slide. These four difference, you practically check it. Okay, quickly will tell you. So here, if I'm using ripple edit tool, from here, when I am doing the, see, the duration is adjusting from here, right? When I'm moving, the duration will adjust. Second one, rolling edit tool, duration will not adjust, only wherever it's cutting, that area only adjusting. Okay, the total duration will not change it. So which one you select it, based on that, it is adjusting from the. But if I'm using slip tool, the same area, for example, this is the area, this is a video. In the same video, if I can move it, the end and beginning and end can be moved from inside. But the other one, slide tool means, see, slide tool, see, I'm going to select from here. This clip I have selected. Then if I'm moving, you can move to this side. If I selected this clip, I can move to this side. So it will be adjusting which clip you are selecting. Based on that, it will be moving to left and right. So these are the four tools. And remaining is different. The rate stretch is different. Razor is different. Next one, before pen tool, I'm telling you, hand tool. Hand tool means just to pan. You know, if you zoom it plus and minus, you can pan it. Okay. And zoom means you can use zoom tool. This way you can zoom it. Okay. So we use what usually control, sorry, plus and minus, we do it, right? Plus and minus. But if you press control plus and minus, in one layer, I can in one layer, I can zoom it like control and a plus. I can zoom that area and control and minus. This is actually, we are doing this one, you know, this way. That's the same thing, control and plus. Otherwise, plus and minus, you can do it. The hand tool and zoom tool. So before going to pen tool is belongs to sound. Okay. So zoom tool, I'm going to show you something here. We will control plus. Okay. I think you got some error. It's not able to be visible. Okay, I will show you that then after. So ensure this all the portion. Now I'll go to pen tool. Then I will tell you. I have to discuss about one option over here. After this, we'll discuss. We'll discuss about pen tool. So I hope you understood everything except pen tool now. Pen tool usually we use for what? In effects, when you have a mask and all, we have a pen tool. When the opacity pen tool is there, you know what happened, right? You can do mask. Okay. So here we have a pen tool, but this is not using for masking. This is to control the audio. Audio means if I have a clip which is having sound. I'm not ready with sound effects. Yeah. For this one, I have a sound. For this one, I have a sound. So maybe any video, if I have a sound effects over here. Okay, we have video and audio. Right. So this audio and video I can see here, right? Audio and video will be visible over here. I have taken audio file for you to understand. Okay, this is an audio file because there is not much voice over here. Now this audio file, I want to keep double click. Maybe from here, I'm going to crop it here. Drag and drop this audio here. This is my audio for this. For this video, I have kept it one. Okay. Reduce it. Okay. The speed is high, I think so. Right stretch. Okay. This is the audio. The first one about audio, I want to say. The audio track, if you want to increase and decrease the volume, we will be going to effects, and you can see here level. Remove the keyframe. No need any animation. I mean, animations on the sound. I mean, you don't need to adjust that volume up and down. So if I go to less, volume less. Again, less. I want to increase this one maximum till 6 dB. I can increase it. If you do more, you know, you will look, quality will lose. If some audio, if you got, it's very less quality. I mean, the sound volume is less, maximum 6 dB, you can do it. Less, you can do it how much you want. I think 287 dB or something. Of course, you cannot hear much. So, like if you want very less volume, like if you have a voiceover, somebody's talking behind, if you want a voiceover like this, you can go to till 25 and all. Light music, you can hear. So default, if you want, 0. So here you can keep keyframe to animations. For example, I told you, like, see, when I'm talking behind, you want to set music like when I stop my volume, I have to increase. Like voiceover, you know how to do, right? So when I talk, the music volume should be less. When I stop, the volume have to little bit increase. So something like that, if you want to do, where you want to increase and decrease, you can do by keyframe. So it's on a keyframe now, just play. So slowly decreasing, 21. And we want to stay till this 21 till here. So I click over here, you know how to do keyframe, the same way how we keyframe for your positions, scale and all. Then slowly need to increase back to 0. So see what happened. 0. Decrease. From here onwards, it's going to be increase. So again. This way we can do. If you don't want any keyframe, just switch off from here. All keyframe will be deleting. Okay, this is the way we are doing, actually increasing the volume will increase and decreasing. Okay, but here you have an option over here. See, here you have an option over here, which is pen tool. We can use pen tool for this. For that, you need to increase. I told you this audio clip, if you want, you have to press Control plus, or you're gonna keep audio only. I can just expand this one from here, expand this one. The audio we need to do manually. Okay, we don't need audio, video to do. Okay, now see here, this is on the 0. You can see one line over here, right? There is one line. Now, how can we expand this? We put, above the tab, there is a key shortcut above the tab and left side of the number 1 on the keyboard, and below the escape. Okay, when you press it, you can expand to that everywhere, right? Wherever you keep your mouse. So I'm going to keep here and plus zoom it to understand. Now here, use pen tool. And when you click a point, there will be a point here. When you click a point here also, and between, if I click and move down, so volume will go down. Increase it. Click here and down. Volume more down, so I'm going to keep till here. I want to increase it. So click here a point, and next point here, up. I want to stay here. So till here I'm keeping. Here I'm keeping down. 0. Then slowly need to be up here again. So let's play. You see the graph when I'm playing, okay? Okay, so if you have a 2 clips, 1 clips you have below, so that kind of situations, we will be up and down manually. We will be doing this one. Okay, if you don't want any keyframe, you can select and delete. You can select the frame and delete it. Okay, then get back to 0. Then one thing in audio we are doing, I want to do fade out, right? When it is the end. So click over here, then we click here, then we move it down. The end will happen, Control D, dissolve. So if you don't want to do this manually, in audio transition, go to effects rack, audio transition, crossfade. You can take this one, constant gain. In audio transition, constant gain, if you just drag and drop, just like Control D only, you can keep this one. You don't need pen tool and all, just selection tool. I want from here onwards. So slowly will disappear the sound. So wherever, if you want to end the music, you can go to constant gain, audio transition. Okay, so we discussed now all these tools, including pen tool to adjust the volume control, effects, constant gain, and audio control with keyframe from effects rack also. These are the portions I have discussed now.